Justin Bieber's girlfriend Chantal Jeffries arrived back in Miami on Tuesday after a beach weekend in Panama with the star. Bieber will be arraigned on the 14th of February in Miami on a charge of drunken driving, following his arrest on Thursday when he was reportedly caught drag racing in a rented Lamborghini. He could find himself jailed for up to 6 months if guilty, although experts say he'll probably get a lighter sentence as it's the superstar's first offence. But it seems some people in the US are not ready to let him get away with anything. 72,000 people have signed a Deport Justin Bieber and revoke his green card petition on the White House's official website. The campaign needs 100,000 signatures to get an official response from the US government. The appeal says Bieber is dangerous, reckless, destructive, and he's threatening the safety of our people.